Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essentials: headset charged, adapter or base station available, and Xbox powered. Plug the Xbox wireless adapter into a USB port or set the Arctis base station close to the console. Turn the headset on and press the pairing button on the adapter or base station. Hold for 3 seconds until LEDs flash. You do this because pairing establishes the wireless link and prevents interference. Once done, the headset LED will stabilize, indicating a successful RF handshake and audio channel readiness. Next, you finalize pairing with Xbox settings. Go to Devices and Connections, then Accessories to confirm the console recognizes the Arctis 7. Adjust volume and headset chat mixer to balance game and chat. Increase mic monitoring so you hear your voice and avoid shouting. If your headset supports firmware updates via the SteelSeries engine or mobile app, apply those updates now to fix latency or audio profile issues. Make sure you test game audio and party chat separately so you understand which control affects which signal. To finish, you run final checks. Join a party and start a game session to verify both chat and game audio are present. If you hear only one source, toggle the headset chat mixer and recheck connections. For stubborn issues, reset the headset by powering off, holding power until lights flash, then repair. This clears temporary RF conflicts. If problems persist, try a different USB port, move wireless interference sources, or power cycle the Xbox. These steps eliminate common hardware and RF-related faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.